subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
Oppo has officially launched the successor of Oppo A53 smartphone in Indonesia as Oppo A54. Talking about the specifications, the Oppo A54 supports a 6.51-inch HD Plus display with 60Hz refresh rate, and it has a large 89.2% screen-to-body ratio. Under the hood, the phone is powered by MediaTek Helio P35 chipset, paired with PowerVR GE8320 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone packs with 4GB of LPDDR4X RAM and 128GB of internal storage that is expandable up to 256GB via microSD card slot. As per the camera, the Oppo A54 features a triple camera setup on the rear and a rectangular module at the top left corner, including LED flash. The AAA camera includes one 13MP main camera along with the 2MP macro and 2MP depth sensor. For selfies, it has an 16MP camera under the hole punch at the top left corner. On the software front, the handset runs on Android 10 out of the box with ColorOS 7.2 skin on top. The device comes equipped by a massive 5000 mAh battery that supports 18W fast charging. Additionally, the smartphone also features an side-mounted fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication. The connectivity option on the phone includes 4G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.0, GPS, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 163.6 by 75.7 by 8.4mm and it weighs around 192 grams. Now talking about the pricing and availability details. The Oppo A54 has been priced in Indonesia at 2,695,000 Indonesian rupees. And the smartphone is set to go on sale in the country starting from April 1st in starry blue and crystal black color options. So what do you guys think of this Oppo A54 smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.